Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact upper circuit price and any exchange notices. This matters because execution can be restricted. Once done, free up the cash or margin required and decide an order size you can tolerate if partial fills occur. Then place a limit buy at the circuit price through your trading platform or immediately call your broker if the platform blocks entry. Do this now so you're positioned when matching liquidity appears. Speed and correctness reduce missed opportunities and unexpected rejections. Once your limit order is live, monitor the order book closely to see whether buyers and sellers are matching at the circuit. If liquidity is thin, split your order into smaller chunks so partial executions can occur instead of none. Make sure to use broker-assisted or negotiated routes when public order entry fails. Those can often access counterparties off-exchange. If the market refuses to move, tighten or relax order size, but keep discipline. Don't chase beyond your preset risk limits and maintain clear execution intent with your broker. After any fill, verify confirmations, settlement timelines, and that shares appear in your demat or account. This prevents surprises later. Once filled, place stop-loss and target orders and enable alerts so you don't miss rapid moves. Upper circuit stocks can reverse quickly. If your order never executed, don't panic. Contact your broker about block or negotiated trades, or prepare to try again in the next session with refined size or pricing. One troubleshooting tip: if continuous rejection occurs, escalate to broker compliance immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.